Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your REALME C63 supports eSIM. Alright, so we are on the IMEI.info page, just like always, and now all we need to do now is to type the IMEI number of our device in this bar. And also, if you don't know how to do it, how to find your IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, and also I'm showing you there how to find the IMEI number of your REALME C63. So if you want, you can look for it. Once we have typed our number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C63. Now simply scroll down into the bottom. In here we can also see the basic information about our device, but we need to scroll down a little bit more. And in here, under the basic checks, which are completely for free, we have eSIM compatibility check. So we need to click on that. Now click on the check eSIM compatibility. And now we have our result. And as you can see, this device does not support eSIM. Below we can also see how many SIM cards can we insert into that device. The number is 2. And below we have the date on which the report was created at. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.